What's that? What 2 + 2? Hip hop.
Girl, you need to shut the fuck up.
Oh, hip hop. Hey, that's no good.
Oh, I do what I want. I'm getting up right now. What you want to do, bitch?
Bitch, I'm gonna kick you in the nuts.
Oh, don't you do it,
High
girl.
five, see you,
Just
bitch.
playing, just playing, just
Whole
playing.
ass. What the fuck am I gonna do to this nigga? I'm gonna stab him. Should I stab him or should I? No. I'm gonna do that karate shit. Oh my god, guys, what's up, my niggas? Can I say that? Is that cool?
Nigga, don't say the shit like that to me.
How come you can call me nigga? Oh, stab him in the heart. What is this Asian bitch doing over there? She's daydreaming again.
Well, she told me that she needed some deodorant, so I let her borrow my shit. Why you let her borrow your shit, Shakita? You know she ain't gonna give it back. You know. Oh, but I know. But I gotta be nice to her.
Hey, both of you shut the fuck up and make me some.
Ooh, you shut the fuck up.
Oh,
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Don't tell me shut the fuck up again. I swear to God, I'm smiling, but I'm.
You ain't doing shit.
Ooh.
Hey, you need to bring back Shakita's deodorant. She needs it.
What is this? Is this green beans, bitch? I don't like green. I love them though.
Oh, what do you need? What do you like them or do you not?
Kinda. What the fuck is it to you, bitch? Don't ask me again. If I like green beans, I like them. Shit.
Oh, then you shut the fuck up. Don't talk to Shakita like that.
Y'all going out? Because, hold on, guys.
Okay, we will.
Did